Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play the Minecraft Vote update. This special feature allows you to actively shape your game world through in-game decisions. Imagine influencing everything from creature abilities to environmental effects. It's a dynamic way to experience Minecraft, offering a fresh challenge and endless possibilities with every choice you make. Get ready to dive into a world where your vote truly matters. To begin, simply press the V key to open the voting interface. Here, you'll see various proposals, each presenting several options for immediate changes in your game. You have about 10 to 16 minutes to consider your choices before a proposal expires. Carefully read each option, then click to cast your vote and influence your world's next big change, making your gameplay truly unique. Proposals cover a wide range of possibilities, from chickens laying unusual eggs to changes in gravity or even the size of mobs. Once the voting period ends, the option with the most votes is automatically implemented into your world. This means you could suddenly find yourself with a giant camel or a world with a completely different color scheme, creating truly unique and often hilarious gameplay. Beyond the in-game voting, the Minecraft community also participates in larger, periodic votes for new content. These events, often held annually, allow players to choose which new mobs or biomes will be added in upcoming major updates. You can cast your vote through the game launcher or the official website, directly impacting the game's evolution for millions of players worldwide.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.